It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. It's Sunday, August the 20th. We are 1.5 hours away from the launch of our Rush Athletic Speed Rope, aka the Money Rope.
I'm gonna keep pushing, man, and I'm gonna make sure that I bring out the best products out there for the skipping community and for the skipping game. And I'm just gonna make sure that the path that we're on, the snowball that we're creating, that's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and we're gonna get to the destination at some point or another, and we're gonna take over the cardio world and retire treadmills once and for all. No, but for real, like it's an honor, man. It's an honor to be in this journey.
Guys, today is the day we have finally got the Money Rope into the hands of the legend Floyd Mayweather. He has been my inspiration for the way I jump rope, my style, and everything that I've learned along the way.
But I recently lost 125 pounds, and one of the ways I continue to stay fit is by using my Rush Athletics Money Rope. The whole Rush community keeps me motivated every single day to be the best version of me possible.
For me, it's been a lifeline. It's just been growth. Absolute growth. It improves your mind, your coordination, your physicality. You know what? There's so much benefits to this amazing rope.
The Money Rope, the original Money Rope, this bad boy has been like the pillar of RA. It's been like just the foundations of this brand, and we've done it, family. New Money Rope 2.0 is finally here.